And oh man, will you get the Mary Poppins references? Like there's one when
turning blue. Can he?
Small thing to go. Well, this. Sally is scanning. Have a fit at a Captain Hook Dollar Tree figurine hill. Nope, it doesn't fit on that side. And what about the other side? And yes, it does fit. Aww. Oh, I thought it was cute. And wow, it lasts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yep, it's lasting pretty well. It is. Wow, that bag is like a Mary Poppins carpet bag. What? Did you see Mary Poppins? Yep. You know when he pulls random things out of a bag. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It was kind of like a donation bag. So Stallion, same thing at Walmart. What? Just the two of us. Why just the two of us? Because one comedy scene was rigged.
Say it. Chimmery or something like that, isn't it? Isn't it like Chim Chim? Chimmery or something like that?
No.
Chimney? Oh, wrong show.
Maybe? Maybe a Timmy? Oh, maybe a Simpsons Lou? Oh!
That line is still too long, so we're